Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to add GST in WooCommerce. Let's go. Open plugins. Find GST. Install now and activate. Open WooCommerce. Settings. GST settings. Add GST number. Store location state, product types and tax slab. And save changes. That's it. Now you know how to add GST in WooCommerce. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.